Southeast Asia, a region of stunning beauty and rich history, has been a crossroads of cultures and civilizations for millennia. In just 5 minutes, we'll explore some of the key moments that have shaped this dynamic part of the world. From the early Bronze Age cultures to the rise of powerful kingdoms, the Docson culture in Vietnam is responsible for this innovation. In the 1st century, Cambodia was host to its first major civilization, the Kingdom of Funan. From the 2nd century BCE to the 2nd century CE, the region came under the influence of its more mature neighbors, namely China and India. Southeast Asia has been a cradle of innovation and cultural exchange. The Srivijaya Empire with its maritime powers, and the Khmer Empire, builders of the magnificent Angkor Wat, left lasting legacies. The arrival of European powers in the 16th century marked a new chapter. Portugal, Spain, the Netherlands, France, and Britain compete for control, leading to significant political and social transformation. Resistant movements emerged, fighting for independence and self-determination. The 20th century saw the rise of independence movements across the region. After the World War II, nations like Indonesia, Vietnam, and Malaysia gained their freedom, embarking on paths of nation building and development. In 1920, the Philippines was the first developed and modern country in Southeast Asia, and one of the most advanced at that time in Asia. Today, Southeast Asia is a vibrant and diverse region, playing an increasingly important role on the global stage.
In Southeast Asia, there's a lot of traditions. Here are some of the most prominent traditions: greetings and respect. Wai in Thailand, Nop in Laos, and Sempa in Cambodia. This is a respectful greetings where you bring your fam together in a player-like gestures, often accompanied by a side bow or nod. The height of the hand and the depth of the bow can indicate the level of respect being shown, with the highest and deepest reserved for eldest monk or high ranks officials. Respecting elders. Showing respect for elders people is a cornerstone of many Southeast Asian societies. Saving face. This concept is vital. Its meaning avoid causing someone public embarrassment, humiliation, or lost dignity or reputation. Getting openly loud, angry, or arguing loudly can cause someone to lose face. And also tradition when it comes to arts, cuisine, and festival. In performing arts, dance drama, often based on the Indian epic, the Ramayana, adapted with local myths and styles. Shadow poverty, wayang kulit, particularly famous in Indonesia and Malaysia, using intricately curved leather puppets and to tell story. Traditional attire, while modern dresses is common. Traditional clothing like the sarong worn in many countries, the Vietnamese Áo Đi or the Burmese Longi is still worn for a special occasion or daily life. Communal dining. When it comes to communal dining, meals are often a communal experience where a variety of dishes are placed in the center of the table and shared by everyone rather than ordering individual plates. Major festivals. When it comes to major festival, Songkran in Thailand, New Year's, celebrated in Thailand and Laos, Myanmar, and Cambodia, featuring massive joyful water fights to wash away bad luck for the New Year. Lunar New Year, widely celebrated in countries with large Chinese population like Vietnam, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, and the Philippines. Since Southeast Asia is mosaic of country, many traditions are specific to a single nation. And in terms of religious and in spiritual life, Buddhism dominant in mainland in Southeast Asia like Thailand, Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia. Durban Buddhism heavily influenced art, festival, architectures, temples, and daily life. Islam, the majority religions in maritime Southeast Asia like Indonesia, Malaysia, Brunei, this profoundly influenced laws, attire holidays, and cuisine. Syncretism, many practices blend major world religion and like Buddhism, Islam, Christianity with other indigenous beliefs such as animism and Angkor worship. This tradition is in religious spiritual life. In terms of body ethic when it comes to tradition, this is a very important set of rules often rooted in Buddhism or other spiritual beliefs. The head is sacred. The head is considered the most sacred part of the body, the seat of spirit. Never touch someone else's head, even a child, as it is seen as disrespectful. Be respectful of statues, especially those Buddha. Never touch or climb on them. The feet are unclean. The feet are the lowest and the dirtiest part of the body because they touch the ground. Never point your feet or the soles of your feet at a person, a sacred object like a Buddha statue, on or an altar. If you are sitting, tuck your feet beneath you. Always remove your shoes before entering someone's home. That's a tradition. And often before entering temples or some shops and guest house also, you need to remove your shoes.
Hello everyone. Today, let's make a trip around of the most exciting regions in the Southeast Asia. This part of the famous for its stunning beaches, rich cultures, and unforgettable adventures. Our first stop, Thailand. Known as the Land of Smile, Thailand offers a perfect mix of history, beaches, and nightlife. Don't miss Bangkok, where golden templates like Wat Arun and Wat Phra Kaew stand proudly beside modern skyscrapers. Then head to Phuket or Krabi for crystal clear waters and island hopping adventures. And of course, no trip is complete without tasting authentic pad thai or mango sticky rice. Next, let's move to Vietnam, a land of contrast. In the north, the misty mountains of Sapa and the emerald waters of Halong Bay will leave you speechless. Travel south to Ho An, a charming ancient town with a colorful lanterns lighting up the sky. Don't forget to try a bowl of po or a crispy banh mi as you explore. Our third destination is Indonesia, a vast archipelago with over 17,000 islands. The most famous, of course, is Bali, where last rise terrace meets world-class suffering beaches. If you are seeking adventures, exploring Yogyakarta for ancient templates like Borobudur and Prambanan. For nature lovers, hike up Mount Bromo or visit Komodomo Island, home of the legendary Komodomo dragon. Now, let's head to the Philippines, a paradise for beach lovers. With over 7,000 islands, you'll find some of the world's best white sands in Boracay, magical lagoons in Palawan, and dividing spots in Cebu. The friendly locals known for their warm smiles and hospitality will make you feel right at home. Finally, let's visit Singapore, the modern gem of Southeast Asia. From the futuristic gardens by the bay to the charming streets of Chinatown and Little India, Singapore blends culture and innovation beautifully. Try locate dishes like chicken rice and lasca, and don't miss the iconic Marina Bay Sands skyline at night. From ancient temples to turquoise waters and bustling cities, Southeast Asia truly has something for every travelers. This is Liza, inviting you to explore the wonders of Southeast Asia. See you on next adventure.
Good day everyone, I am Benji Bisara. Here are some of the best cuisine in Southeast Asian country. First is Thailand. Thai cuisine is celebrated for its flavor balance, blending sweet, sour, salty, and spicy. Signature dishes are Pad Thai, green curry, and Tom Yum soup. The next one is Indonesia. Popular dishes in Indonesian cuisine is nasi goreng, gado-gado, and rendang. This cuisine highlighting the use of rich spices and flavors. Malaysia. Malaysian cuisine is a melting pot of Malay, Chinese, India, and indigenous flavor. Signature dishes are nasi lemak, laksa, and char kway teow, characterized by the use of aromatic spices and diverse cooking technique. Next is Vietnam. Vietnamese cuisine is known for its fresh ingredient, vibrant flavor, and healthy preparation. Popular dishes include pho, fresh spring rolls, and banh mi, emphasizing the use of herbs, vegetable, and light sauces. The next is our country, Philippines. Filipino cuisine feature a mix of indigenous, Spanish, Chinese, and American influence. The signature dishes include adobo, sinigang, and lechon. Known for their bold flavor and hearty dishes. Ito yung mga hinahanda natin kapag tayo ay may mga bisita or may mga okasyon sa ating bahay. The last one is Singapore. Singaporean cuisine is a blend of Chinese, Malay, Indian, and Peranakan flavor. Popular dishes include Hainanese chicken rice, chili crab, and laksa, reflecting the country's multicultural heritage and culinary innovation. And that's all. Thank you.